Hey, everyone, in today's video we will tell you the signs and symptoms that may indicate you are suffering from iron deficiency. Iron is required by your body to make hemoglobin. Red blood cells contain this protein, which enables them to transport oxygen throughout your body. When your body doesn't have enough hemoglobin, your muscles and tissues don't get enough oxygen and perform poorly. As a result, you might get anemia. Although there are various forms of iron deficiency, anemia is the most prevalent globally. An unhealthy diet or dieting, inflammatory bowel disease, and the increased need for iron during pregnancy, menstruation, or internal bleeding are some common causes of iron deficiency. Unpleasant symptoms from an iron deficiency can lower your quality of life, regardless of the cause. Consider your health, your ability to focus, or your level of productivity. Signs and symptoms of iron deficiency vary depending on the severity of the anemia, the rate at which it develops, your age, and your overall health. In some cases, people experience no symptoms. Here are 12 signs and symptoms of an iron deficiency, starting with the most common. Number 1, extreme fatigue. Feeling extreme fatigue is one of the most common symptoms of iron deficiency. More than half of people with an iron deficiency are suffering from this. This is because your body needs iron to make a protein called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin can be found in the red blood cells, where it helps distribute oxygen throughout your body. If your body can't make enough hemoglobin, less oxygen gets to your tissues and muscles, giving them less energy. In addition, your heart has to work harder to pump more oxygenated blood through your body, which can make you tired. Because fatigue is often seen as a normal part of busy, modern life, it is difficult to diagnose an iron deficiency based on this symptom alone. However, many people with an iron deficiency also experience low energy levels, weakness, feeling irritable, and have difficulty concentrating or are unproductive at work. Number 2, paleness. Pale skin and a pale color on the inside of the lower eyelids is another common sign of an iron deficiency. Hemoglobin in the red blood cells gives the blood its red color, so the low iron levels associated with an iron deficiency make the blood less red. This is why skin can lose its healthy, rosy color in people with an iron deficiency. This pallor can appear all over the body of the person with the iron deficiency, but it can also be limited to a specific area, such as the face, gums, inner lips or lower eyelids, and even the nails. When suspecting an iron deficiency, the doctor often looks for these symptoms first. However, it must be confirmed by a blood test. Pallor is common in moderate and severe cases of anemia. When you pull down your lower eyelid, the inside should be a bright red color. If it's very soft pink or yellowish, it could mean you have an iron deficiency. Number 3, shortness of breath. Hemoglobin allows the red blood cells to carry oxygen throughout your body. When you have little hemoglobin in your body due to an iron deficiency, your oxygen levels are also low. As a result, your muscles do not receive enough oxygen to support normal activities, such as walking. Your body then tries to get more oxygen in, which increases your breathing rate. This is why shortness of breath is a well-known symptom of iron deficiency. If you find yourself getting out of breath while performing normal, everyday tasks that you can normally do with ease, such as walking, climbing stairs, or exercising, an iron deficiency may be to blame. Number 4, headache and dizziness. An iron deficiency can cause headaches. This symptom appears to be less frequent and is often associated with lightheadedness and dizziness. In an iron deficiency, the low hemoglobin levels in the red blood cells prevent enough oxygen from reaching the brain. As a result, blood vessels in the brain can swell, causing pressure and headaches. Although headaches have many causes, regular, recurring headaches and dizziness can indicate that you have an iron deficiency. Number 5, palpitations. A pounding heartbeat, also known as palpitations, is another symptom of anemia. Hemoglobin is the protein in red blood cells that helps carry oxygen around the body. With an iron deficiency, the low hemoglobin level means that the heart has to work extra hard to pump oxygen. This can lead to an irregular heartbeat or make you feel like your heart is beating extremely fast. In very severe cases, it can result in an enlarged heart, heart murmur, or heart failure. However, these symptoms are not common. You have to suffer from an iron deficiency for a long time to experience these symptoms. Number 6. Dry and damaged skin and hair. Dry and damaged skin and hair can be signs of an iron deficiency. When your body has too little iron, it first focuses on the vital functions, such as organs and tissues, in distributing the limited oxygen content. If your skin and hair don't get enough oxygen, they can become dry and weak. A severe iron deficiency can be associated with hair loss. During daily activities such as washing and brushing, a little hair loss is normal. However, if you lose strands of hair, or more than normal, this may be caused by an iron deficiency. Number 7. Swollen and shortened tongue and mouth. Sometimes you can get an indication of anemia by looking in your mouth. Signs of an iron deficiency include a swollen, inflamed, pale, or unusually happy tongue. Little hemoglobin due to iron deficiency explained in a pale tongue. A lower level of myoglobin can cause the tongue to become uncomfortable, happy, and swollen. Myoglobin is a protein that supports the tongue muscles. An iron deficiency can describe a dry mouth, cause cracks in the corners of the mouth and blisters. Number 8. Restless legs. Iron deficiency is linked to restless legs syndrome, RLS. RLS is the strong urge to move your legs when they are at rest. It can also be accompanied by nasty and strange tingling or an itchy feeling in the feet and legs. It is often worse at night, which can make it difficult for people with this syndrome to get enough sleep. The causes of RLS are not yet known. However, about 25% of people with RLS have anemia. The lower the iron levels, the worse the symptoms are. Number 9. Fragile or spoon-shaped fingernails. An uncommon symptom of iron deficiency is having brittle or spoon-shaped fingernails. This condition is called koilonychia. Often this starts with fragile nails that quickly break or tear. In a later stage of iron deficiency, spoon-shaped nails can develop. The center of the nail sinks in slightly and the edges lift up so that the nail looks round, like a spoon. However, this is a rare symptom and normally only occurs in very severe cases of anemia. Number 10. Cold hands and feet. An iron deficiency means that less oxygen is also transported to the hands and feet. Some people will feel more cold around them or have cold hands and feet. Number 11. Feelings of anxiety. The lack of oxygen caused by iron deficiency can cause anxious feelings. When the iron level is good again, it usually improves or disappears. Number 12. Cravings for strange foods. A craving for strange foods or inedible foods is called pica. Often this includes the urge to eat ice, clay, mud, lime, or paper and can be a sign of iron deficiency. This symptom is also possible. Have you ever felt any of these symptoms? Let us know in the comments. Enjoyed this video? Hit like and subscribe. See you next time.